everything is going to get the curry all over, which is really, really good. So shrimp doesn't take long to cook, guys. Shrimp only takes 7 minutes to cook. Oh, okay, Max, good night. Okay, good night, Max. Shrimp only takes 7 minutes to cook, guys. So, and crab legs doesn't take that long either. So what I'm gonna do is actually lower down the stove a little bit. So I'm just trying to make sure that curry touches every part of this. In case you're missing it out, this is what it looks like. Love your mouth. Guys, doesn't that look beautiful? You're kidding me, right? You think I was playing? I'm not playing. I love my seafood. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it for a bit. There. Boom. And because I want that curry to last a little longer, I'll just put a little bit of water in there. Tidy up while you work. Clean station as much as you can. I will put the curry away because I won't need that anymore. Pretty much done with the curry there. I'm still gonna keep the thyme and the lemon pepper. Put the cumin away. I'm still gonna keep the pepper, the red chili flakes, because I might need it. You never know what you need. Yep. And I might also add some more garlic to it later on. Yeah. So while this is going on, my rice is almost ready. Again, it's basmati rice, guys. Doesn't take long to cook. Look at that. Nice and shelly. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's doing very well. That's really, really good. So guys, how was your day? Other than the smarts, how was everyone's day? Hopefully your work wasn't too hectic today. Hopefully you have a good day off. And maybe you did like Miss Marks and myself. Just took it easy and rest. Relax. Wash your hair. Talk to your best friend. Or just hang out. Harold, if you're still there, I saw those mangoes. Don't think I didn't see those mangoes. And you know I love mangoes, right? Love that critter of the mangoes. If you guys wanted a carrot, you should have said so. Have another piece. For everyone who knows me knows that I love mangoes. I love fruits, but mangoes is my number one. Yes, it is. So guys, this weekend is a very special weekend. This weekend is Mother's Day weekend. For those of you out there who have a mom, cherish your mother. Your mother does a lot for you. She took care of you. You know that song Shirley Caesar sang, for the 9 months I carried you, no charge. So that's a very special song to me as well. Guys, my mom isn't here anymore, but I just have the memories and all that stuff, and she was a great mother. So if you have your mom and your mom is alive, love her. Cherish her. If it's possible to do so. If they're far, send them a text, send them a hello, hi, how are you doing? Happy Mother's Day. Some mothers are great, some mothers are not, so go with the flow. Go with the flow.